This road is not so bad. But it gets worse. It gets much worse. I already know what the roads look like because I was out earlier, but this is a very high traffic road, so they already cleaned up this road. I got my Super Sport dash on. This is my dynamic settings, so you can see the horsepower. Pretty windy. You can see my horsepower, torque, boost gauge, G-force, and I'm wearing my GoPro right now. I usually don't, but this time it was charged. And we're gonna turn traction off because I like to control the power of this car, and traction likes to, like, alright, gotta turn right. Oh, fuck, it's not that bad. It's already drying up. Cure my blow-off valves. Out the snow for people. Car's in comfort right now. Let's put it into, this is my sport setting. It's custom to being on sport. Don't ever drive a car that's covering your blind spots, like your windows. It's very dumb. Whoa. 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 That was crazy. Too easy. It's too easy. Still sliding. Not bad. It's actually doing really well. Now let's take it back to, let's do Sport Plus. Yeah, immediately as soon as it noticed. Yep. Raptor behind us. That's sick. I always wanted one of these Raptors, but I'm gonna get a TRX actually instead. You don't want to ever press the gas right away. Just let the car roll first and then gently tap the gas just so you don't get stuck. Just rolled into this